Hey everyone, and welcome to a short video today from Project Neva GR86. How easy is it to swap your air filter on your 2022 Plus Toyota GR86 Subaru BRZ? We're going to be dropping this HKS Super Air Filter into the JDM air box that we installed just a couple weeks ago. Video is also on this channel for that. And while the air filter replacement may seem like a no-brainer, doing a video for something like an air filter drop is in keeping with Project Neva's main principles. Number one, spread knowledge at all levels of expertise. Let the viewer decide what's of value to them. Number two, contribute to the ZN8 and ZD8 community through product reviews and instructional videos such as this one and other helpful media. Number three, responsibly represent the automotive community as a whole. And last but certainly not least, build Project Neva using quality products and quality build partners. So with that said, let's get into it. First thing you gotta do is choose your air filter. Again, I went with the HKS Super. Once you get to the front of the car, you gotta pop the hood, of course. Once you do that, you'll want to unclip the airbox clamps to get into the airbox. Then you'll be able to open the airbox by pulling up and back to access the filter. From there, just remove your air filter and grab the new one. Then go ahead and put your new air filter in, which is probably the only somewhat finicky part, really, as you can see from me bumbling around here a bit. Then after that, you'll want to reposition, reseat, and reclamp the airbox. Next, while you shouldn't need any tools, just tidy up and make sure there aren't any boxes or your old filter doesn't get left under the hood. Then, check your work one more time and make sure the box is lined up with the notches on the underside of the box to keep it in place. Then, just close your hood and enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and please like, subscribe, and follow for more Project Neva GR86 content in the future.